today's video. Saturday, Nug CC ride. Apparently, these guys are going for chicken nuggets after the ride. Not an advisable recovery meal, I don't think. We're heading into Surrey, riding some hills. Don't do vegan chicken nuggets in Kingston.
I'll sign it now while we wait.
I'll sign it for giro.
Why did you build a route with that hill in it?
Because I'm fat and I need to hill climb more. And if I have people to compete against, like leaving Ted behind, then I feel better about not being able to climb.
That's me.
Box Hill, the hill that's not really a hill. It's not actually steep enough to be a hill. Kind of hurts when you're doing it. Max effort though. About 5 minutes long. Is this the first Nug CC ride?
This is the Nug's first Nug. Well, no, because the whole point of Nug CC is we all went on holiday to Mallorca together. The only place that was open in our all-inclusive when we got back was a little kids swimming pool that sold nuggets, chicken nuggets. So every ride would go out, smash 130k.
I thought you were about to say 130 chicken nuggets.
130, well, I mean, there's a reason I'm this big. And then they only sold them in like packs of 4. So we used to get to Alejandra, who was a grumpy old Spanish lady, and she'd cook he's going for it. So we'd have chicken nuggets, and so Nug CC was formed.
So you're going for nuggets after this ride?
We are, and this is team presentation. You press a button and fresh spring water from Italy gets delivered directly into your bottle. It's good times.
And you actually had more than 5 people turn up?
You are really lucky because you have such a nice group of mates that they all hang back and ride with your girlfriend because you don't.
I mean,
it's not just you though, he just rides on his own at the front.
True.
Off the front.
But all of your mates
King of the choppers.
take it in turns to ride with me. Either they really love you or they really love me.
I mean, if you got stronger, you could ride next to me.
I don't want to ride next to you, you're a chopper.
Hello.
It's cookie dough.
Yeah.
It's just...
It's everything that's good in life.
Jordan.
Just in a... Hi. What are those? My dancing
It's like you've got...
It's like those oranges that come in the little net.
Yeah, there's exactly.
Alright, I'm taking them.
They're like new shoes, I feel so bad. I've never seen you so sad. Really good ride. No chicken nuggets. Quick turnaround, back to Giro. It's their 5th birthday party today. It's like you're dressed as a pedestrian and a cyclist at the same time.
Yeah. That's what Brompton is. It's a. I was going to say gender bender. It's not a gender bender.
We're gonna go to Giro. You got to do nothing.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. That was a long ride.
It was long,
here.
man.
Long ride. We folded up the Ginger Brompton.
It's dark now.
It's dark. That's how long it took on the Ginger Brompton. It folded up, but there might be somebody inside Giro.
How's it going? Welcome to Giro.
You asked me recently, oh, we're going to get a band together and you're going to sing, what is it, Dream On?
Yeah, by Aerosmith.
By Aerosmith. And what was my response? My response was, why don't you choose a harder song to fucking sing?
Did you get that? He's gone. He's taken your bike.
He went that way.
No, but he...
Yeah.
Dude, he went that way.
What is wrong with this guy?
No.
Fucking, how the fuck how did he go
did you miss
that
that?
way and then end up over there?
And that
Delete
was the
this
last
footage.
we ever saw of
Delete
that.
it. Delete it. Delete it.
Wait, what are we doing?
We're waiting for Chris and Elle. It's in South Bank.
This one's more social than that bench, so we tried that bench,
sat on
but
the
you
other
have to
bench,
face behind each other like that.
But this was quite good.
This one's, hi Francis! Oh, hello!
We're like conkers. You have a Newton's cradle.
Yeah. Yeah, but does that not mean that then we then go the other way?
Yeah, and then go again. What's going on?
There's a jazz festival, and it's really good. It's just a bit crazy.
Actually sounds quite good.
And everyone sits down and it's really quiet.
Mate, if there's ever a lift you need to go in, this is it. If anyone's ever in London, this is it.
And just have a lift. Right, so not much filming got done last night, hence the strange cut in this video. Because Matt Faulkner was so drunk, definitely because we weren't drunk. It is now the next day. We're out in London with Chris and Elle. We're gonna go for a nice dinner. I'm gonna see you in America. We're gonna be in New York. Have you been to New York?
I've never been.
Ooh.
I know. I've been to Canada a lot. I'll go there, mate. That's a steak place.
Oh.
We don't eat steak. If they gave us black and blue crayons, different story.
Oh, we'd be all over them colouring books, man.
Where's the monkey? Where? Where?
Is that a cat? It's a severed cat's head.
You'll be fine. I promise.
But you're in like a cage. You literally, there's nothing.
Come on, Chris, you've done scarier stuff.
I have done scary stuff.
24-hour TT.
Yeah, but fuck that.
Doing so badly. Will you go on it with me? I want to go on
If it actually took us around the world for £10, I'd do it, but I think it's lying.
That's London extortionate pricing, that.
It is.
Not really a hungover activity, I'll be honest.
Also, Francis farted halfway up. So I was stuck in a tight container with Francis's fart.
I was going to say I feel sorry for the people behind you, but you're in a container. Oh.
You've got to fulfill your end of the bargain now. You're going to go on the most extreme ride in London.
In London.
Are you ready?
Oh, mate.
Let's go and do it.
Off my tits for it.